Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on Link. Link has reacted nicely to this upper support area, which is defined between $13.94 and $15.36. And from this support area, the market has started to move up. We're now in the resistance area. At least while I record this video, we've reached this standard resistance between $16.79 and $17.61. We are now in this resistance area, and the market is testing it. There is no rejection from it, and I'm just waiting for the next pullback to be able to determine the structure. Because if we get a corrective pullback, a pullback that's clearly corrective in nature, like a three-wave move down, it's likely going to be the white B wave, which could set the stage for a C wave rally in a fifth wave. And that would be an ABC structure in wave 5, which can take us to $20 next. Okay, that would be the next objective for the bulls, to first of all break above the previous swing highs here, above the $17.60 level, and then take the price higher in a fifth wave towards $19.30 to $20. If, however, we get a rejection and the market is moving down impulsively, then we're likely dealing with the C wave in yellow, and this would be part of a larger ABC structure. So as you can see, it really depends on the structure of the next pullback. At the moment, the market isn't giving us any surprises. The idea was here that we get a reaction to a support. I mean, that's why we have support on the chart. In the yellow count, a B wave bounce was expected. In the white count, a fifth wave to the upside. Yeah, and structurally they are very, very similar because both would be corrective rallies. It's just that if we get above the previous highs from the 12th of May, it becomes more and more likely it's actually the white scenario. And this would then constitute a 5-wave move to the upside, at least best I can tell. Other scenarios are possible here, but it does look at the moment as if it could be the fifth wave to the upside. And looking at the bigger picture, I mean, it does look like it could be still part of this wave 1 that we're tracking on the larger time frame as well. Because here what we need to see is a 5-wave move in circle wave 1, which could then set the stage for a wave 2 pullback, which again, the market could then use this support area for wave 2, which we will then add to the chart. It's too early now. The market could use that wave 2 support area as a jump off point for a third wave rally that could take the price to $47 plus essentially. Yeah? Okay, maybe not directly, but the idea would be that with 5 waves up on the larger time frame, we could get to $47. Where exactly? Well, we can determine that a little better. Once we have the wave 1 complete and the wave 2, then I can calculate a target for the internal third wave there to the upside. So overall, bullish scenario still intact. And as long as we are holding the relevant support levels, the overall uptrend remains intact. In the very short term, to keep the uptrend alive in the white scenario, the market must hold above the 19th of May low. Obviously now not the best time to enter. That was in the support area in case you wanted to trade this. Once we get a pullback and it's clearly corrective, I will probably add a support area for wave B. And again, that could be a setup for the C wave to the upside, but really only on the micro level here. Yeah? Obviously, even in the yellow scenario, there's a plan. Okay, the question isn't so much about which scenario is playing out, but do we have a plan for these? And even in the deeper wave 2, so in case the wave 1 already topped, this support area could present a nice setup, even if the C wave is impulsive, right? $11.42 would be key support for the yellow scenario. So bottom line is, at the moment we're in resistance, reached a key juncture, reached resistance, from support into resistance, and the next pullback should clarify whether we go higher eventually or set up for a larger pullback. That's the update on Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.